In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tasks in Google Calendar. Let's dive right in and get started with this really handy task sharing process. First things first, you'll want to head to Google Calendar. You can do this by visiting the Google Calendar site on your web browser. Once you're there, you'll see a familiar interface with your calendar spread out before you. Next, you want to locate and click on the Create button. This is the spot where you can add events, reminders, and crucially, tasks. It's usually found at the left corner of your screen, prominently displayed to make creation easy and accessible. After you click Create, a new window will pop up with several options. In this window, look for the Task option and give it a click. This is the option that will allow you to add a specific task to your calendar, separate from general events or reminders. With the Task option selected, your next step is to name your task. Think of a concise, descriptive title that will make it easy for you and anyone else involved to quickly understand what the task is about. Naming your task effectively is crucial, especially when multiple tasks are involved. Once you've named your task, it's time to put in all your desired descriptions. Here, you can be a bit more detailed about what the task entails. Add any specifics that are necessary for comprehension or to remind you of key steps or deadlines related to this task. Being thorough here can mean the difference between clarity and confusion later on. When you're satisfied with your task's name and description, click on Save. This action logs your newly created task into your Google Calendar, making it visible and trackable as part of your schedule. It's always a good idea to double check and ensure everything's saved correctly. Now, we're moving to Taskboard, which is a fantastic tool that enhances the Google Tasks experience. Head over to the Taskboard website. Once you're there and logged in, you'll be able to see all the tasks you've added in Google Calendar displayed on your homepage. From here, look for the three dots icon next to your task lists. Clicking on these dots will bring up a menu with further options for organizing your tasks. Among them, you'll find the Share List option. This feature is what makes Taskboard particularly powerful when collaborating or sharing tasks with others. Click on Share List, and then you'll see the option to Copy Link pop up. By copying this link, you can easily distribute access to your task lists. Whether through email or a messaging app, you can simply paste the link to share it, making collaboration smooth and effective. And there you have it. You now know how to share tasks using Google Calendar and Taskboard. It's a straightforward process that can greatly enhance productivity and teamwork. Thanks for watching, and happy task sharing.